Guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome beta version. Do not worry, it's going to work with the stable version, but currently I'm using the beta version. First of all, open of course the Google Chrome, and in the URL you're gonna type this command right here. I'm gonna have it of course linked in the description. And in these two dots right here, I'm pretty sure it's called colons, two slashes and flags. Click go after you have typed it. You're gonna wait for a bit to load most of the experiments. It's not going to take a lot, and of course it depends on your phone how fast it is. And here in the search flags, if you want to search it manually, just do it, but I'm pretty sure you are going to be lazy. In the search flags, type here dark mode. It's lagging a bit because it's still loading all the experiments. And right here you're gonna see two options. I'm gonna go to the bottom one where it says Android Chrome UI dark mode. By default it's gonna be default. To change that, you're gonna click enabled, and it needs you to relaunch the browser. Click relaunch now, and if we go to the three dots in the top right corner and click settings, you're going to see below homepage. The homepage there's not an option called dark mode. I do not know why is that, but I have found the fix. It's real simple. Just close the browser and reopen it. And as you can see, by default it's gonna be dark mode. And if we go back to settings, it will say themes right here, and you can change it to light mode if you want to. In the stable version, I'm pretty sure it's going to say right here dark mode, and on and off switch right here at the top. And yeah guys, that's basically the video. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.